CAP test, and he set up an appointment for me. That was probably on a Wednesday. On Friday morning, I find myself in Dr. Freed's office, who proceeded to ask me some questions, and your symptoms are, do you have high blood pressure? Do you have this? No, no. Do you get short of breath? No, 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 no. And he says, I've got a problem. He says, I can't give you the CAP test unless something is wrong because Blue Cross and Blue Shield won't cover it. So we really need to do something. He said, would you do me a favor? He says, when I ask if you get short of breath, would you say yes? So, okay, so I was there a little bit longer, and we were talking, and finally he says, do you get short of breath? And I said, yes. And he said, oh, you got to do the test.
But at the medical center, I have some great news. And I'm so excited about it. I'm like the little child that's going to Disney World. And that is that we received notification from the Pennsylvania Trauma Systems Foundation that effective November 1st, we are a Level 3 accredited trauma center. We work very hard. And as a medical center, we're constantly striving to meet the healthcare needs of our community. And the first leading cause of death in Monroe County is actually heart disease. And our board of directors, and I see Chuck Hannig in the back, Chuck sits in on our board, they had great vision. And that vision was to address heart disease in our community. And it was very disturbing to our board members that people left Monroe County to get a diagnostic workup, to have the treatment that they needed, whether it be intervention through the cath lab or heart surgery. And they said, we're going to build a Heart and Vascular Institute. And it was with that vision and support from our community that that dream became such a reality. It was at that time that we couldn't really be a Heart and Vascular Institute unless we had cardiac surgery. And here comes Dr. Zama to join us in January of 2007.
My name is Tom Wilkins, and this is Jody Lowe, who is the Director of Community Development with the Pocono Health Foundation. And Jody was really responsible for the cocktail party that we had on September 25th.
Yes.
With Dr.
Nche Zama, who is our Chief Cardiothoracic Surgeon.
Right, and I had the pleasure, we titled it The New Face of Heart Care, so I had the pleasure of introducing Dr. Zama and everybody there. Everybody had a good time.
You know, it was a wonderful event, and again, it's a fabulous way for us to let the community know about all the wonderful things happening at Pocono Medical Center. And we're very proud of the ESSA Heart and Vascular Institute, and Dr. Nche Zama has spearheaded that entire operation.
Yeah, and everybody did enjoy. He's one of the most fantastic speakers that is going. He's funny as well as being very serious and very passionate about his work. I thought Kathy's speech was pretty good, going on about the new CAT scan that they had. Or no, I'm sorry, being with the emergency room, getting the new accreditation. What was that about?
Yes, we've just received our Level 3 trauma designation,
wow.
Which is very exciting,
yeah.
And that is going to be enforced November 1st. And of course, we'll also go for our Level 2 designation as well, much needed here in this community
yeah.
to serve all of our communities.
Well, thanks an awful lot for taking time out of your busy schedule and stopping by. And boy, keep doing what you're doing for sure, Jody.
It's support of individuals like yourself and Better Home and Garden, local associates, that we're able to do all this great work. So I thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.